As a content creator, waking up every day and thinking of what to post and knowing fully well that you have to post can be so frustrating, because you wake up every day and thinking that, oh, I need to post at this time, I need to post at this time. Especially if you want to maintain consistency, you want to make sure that you post every single day and at a specific time, a time when you know that your audience will be active or they'll be online. And this can be really, really frustrating if care is not taken, and it can also discourage you from posting every day. And that is why I'm making this video. Worry no more, because I'm going to be showing you a trick that you can use to schedule your post for the next 30 days, and you don't have to wake up worrying about what am I going to post today and what time do I get to post today. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, the Peaceable Digital. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, I make posts about how to make money online. I talk about apps or hacks that have worked for me, and I come in here to share to you, my audience, about how you can also use the same hack to achieve your common goal. Okay, so that's basically what I do here. So you're welcome once again, and if you are a returning subscriber, I love you so much. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for always coming back. I'm so glad and excited that you are here again. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how you can actually schedule your post for the next 30 days. If you're tired of waking up every day and thinking about, oh, what am I going to post today and what time do I get to post? I need to post so time. I need to post by 8 a.m. I need to post by 7:30. I need to post by. Worry no more, because I'll be sharing how you can actually schedule all your posts, and you leave it to the social media to post by itself. Okay, in today's episode, I will be sharing how you can schedule posts on TikTok. Although I'll be talking about how you can schedule posts on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, and what else social media? On Twitter, on X. All the social media handles have a feature that allows you to schedule your posts ahead of the day you want to drop it. Okay, so in today's video, emphasis on TikTok. I'll be walking you through the process of how you can actually schedule your post on TikTok. So the first thing you want to do is to ensure that you make all your posts available. You edit all your content. If it is getting too bogus and it will be so stressful, you can do it bit by bit. You can edit 5 videos in a day. Like you can pick 5 different videos, edit it in a day. Choose another day and schedule those 5 that same day. So in 2 days, you have successfully scheduled a 5-day post. You can create and schedule a 5-day post in 2 days. Right, and this is for people who want to post every day. If you know that you love posting every day, you want to be posting content every day, you want people to engage on your page every single day, this video is for you. So you have to make sure that you create all your content in a day, and the next day you want to go ahead and schedule them. Depending on your strength, you can decide to create all your content, all 30 content in a single day, and you use the next day to edit them and also post them as well, or schedule them. Okay, so without any further ado, let's head over to my screen while I walk you through the process of how you can achieve that in minutes. So you guys, the first thing you want to do is to go to your laptop screen or your phone web page, either Google Chrome, any browser of your choice, and type in tiktok.com/TikTok Studio. tiktok.com/TikTok Studio, right? So you are going to log into your account. You want to log into your account. You can do this on your desktop. I prefer doing it on a laptop or on my desktop because it's pretty much easier that way compared to phone. Yeah, but you can use your phone as well. It's fine, whichever one you decide to use. As you can see, I've scheduled all these posts. I successfully scheduled 30 content on different days, on 30 different days. So all these posts that you're seeing here, that has been scheduled. As you can see the dates, so I actually scheduled them. This is one of my TikTok page that I manage, and I've scheduled my post on it, right? So this is very, very simple. You just have to make sure that you make all your content available, or you edit all your content and your content are available. I edited all this content using Canva. So if you want me to make another video on that, you can leave a comment below and I'll make sure to do that. So the next thing you want to do is to go to this plus sign and click on upload. So go ahead and select the video that you want to upload, right? So in my case, I have numbered all my videos, right? So I'll be scheduling this particular one. So you click on the post you want to schedule and you go ahead and allow it to load. So it will bring you here to this page where you have to put in your captions, right? Your captions, your hashtags, whatever you want to put in your video. Then you go ahead and click on schedule. So you can see this schedule button. Then you go ahead and put in the time that you want the video to drop. Put in the time, right, just like as I'm doing here. Then you go ahead and put in the date that you want the video to post. So you put in the date, right, and afterwards you can decide to go to this place and upload your your thumbnail. Yeah, so if you want to change your thumbnail, well, in my case I'm not changing the thumbnail, so I'll just be leaving it this way. But if you want to change it, you can just click on edit video. And if you also want to change the music as well, you can see the music icon here already, so you can go ahead and change the music or change whatever you want to change. If you want to use a trending music, you can go ahead and use it, and you can edit your thumbnail as well, right? And afterwards, so this is it. So I've decided to use the video as my thumbnail, part of the video as my own thumbnail. So that's it. Or if you don't feel like using it, you can click on upload cover. It will take you to your gallery where you can pick the image of your choice. Then you go ahead and click on schedule, and that's it. So you give it some time where it has to verify and everything, and that's it. So all of these posts, I was able to schedule them in one single day. 30 days content, I was able to schedule them in one single day. That means for the next 30 days on this particular page, I will not be bothered about what to post or when am I going to post. No, TikTok will do the job of the posting. I have done the job of the scheduling. TikTok will do the job of posting. So it's as simple as that, and it's that easy, and that's seamless. So I'll be making another video on how to schedule on YouTube and on Facebook and Instagram as well, and even on Twitter and LinkedIn. So let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful, and let me know what you also want. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share to somebody you know that might be needing this. Share to a content creator that you know that this video might be beneficial to. All right, till then, till I come your way again in my next video. Bye guys.